For 2019, Performance Lexus achieved something amazing. We finished the year as the top #1 Lexus dealership in the country for the pursuit of excellence. So for 2020, we had to try and top that. We had to try and create something even more amazing. Well, we did. What started as just a rough vision, mainly based on pictures from Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube content, morphed into a piece of rolling artwork, working with companies like Vossen Wheels and the Japanese brand Artisan spirits. The end result, you ask? Well, see for yourself. The LC500 is already a very special car that showcases the craftsmanship that put Lexus on the map. Like how it took Lexus engineers 5 years to make the exhaust note perfect. A blend of low rumble and high scream complement each other, and the result is a pitch that is in perfect intervals. I'm not a musician, but I know the end result is captivating. Or how the rear taillights look like an illusion of mirrors, and if you're stopped in traffic behind one of these cars, it looks like you're staring into a vortex of taillights. As you walk up to the doors, you'll be greeted by a flush-mounted pop-out door handle. Let's talk about the interior. The interior of any Lexus is what separates this brand from the other high-end luxury competitors. With high-grade materials that scream luxury and attention to detail, you're not only welcomed into the interior of this car, you might not want to leave. This particular LC500 was designed with the cockpit in mind, meaning just like other high-end sports car brands, the driver's seat was where they started and they built a car around it. If you haven't already heard of Artisan Spirits, they're a boutique carbon fiber company based in Japan. This company specializes in high-end craftsmanship that could only be complemented by a Lexus. With carbon fiber accents now complementing the already provocative body lines of the LC500, our front lip, side skirts, rear diffuser, and my favorite, the GT Wing, takes an already bold car and makes it stand out even more. As fun as this project was to build, there will for sure be more coming. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and of course come to the dealership to experience amazing for yourself.